girls, and welcome to Gordon on Guitar, Don Toliver featuring WizKid, slow motion. So 3 chords in the same way through the entire song. We love that concept, so let's go. We're going clean here. We use the bar chords for this one instead. So we'll look at the first chord here, the F sharp minor. So place a bar over all strings on the 2nd fret, and then the rest will be 4th on A and 4th on D. The next chord will be G sharp minor, so take the same grip you hold here and just move it towards your 2 frets to land with the bar here on the 4th fret over all strings, and the rest will now be the 6 on A and 6 on D. That's the G sharp minor. And then we have the C sharp minor. You have it just under on the 4th fret still here, bar now over all strings except from the last E string here. So 5 strings, and the rest will be 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. And that will be the chord progression through the entire song. F sharp minor, G sharp minor, and C sharp minor. All right, so let's just take a look at the strumming pattern. Very, very easy. So grab the F sharp, and one round will be down, clap, down, up, clap. So you're going to play 1 strumming for the F sharp minor, 1 for the G sharp, and 2 for the C sharp minor. So let's go for a couple rounds. So that's how you handle slow motion. Don Toliver, WizKid. Thanks for watching, guys, and play tuned.